What is that sound? And no, it's not a leaky faucet. Believe it or not, that sound has the power to make you a better musician and to make your worship team better than ever. Stick around and I'll show you how. What's up guys, my name's Curtis Riley from The Real Rileys. Not real like a big deal, but real like we're real people with real problems. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on faith, on marriage, on online business, and how-tos. So check them out at therealrileys.com. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real church, real preaching, and real worship. We want to help mid-sized ministries master their methods. But we also offer online courses, coaching, church consultations, sermon reviews, Sunday reviews, and more. And make sure to take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That helps YouTube let us know you enjoy it and helps us keep making content. And we wanted to give you a free gift just for stopping by, so check the description below and you can download our mini course and PDF based on the sermon outline guide. It'll help you outline any sermon and make sure you never get stuck again. Now originally this was going to be one video, but it was so much information I decided to split it up into 2 parts. In the first part, we'll talk about what is a click track or a metronome, and in the second part, make sure to check that out, we'll talk about the reasons that you should use one. I had the benefit of being the lead pastor and also the sound guy, but your lead pastor might not yet be on board with your sound system. So make sure to check out part 2 for 6 reasons why you should use a click track. So what is a metronome? A metronome is something that clicks or beeps in exact time. And because it's in exact time, if you stay with it, it helps you stay in exact time. And the goal with this is for only the worship band members to be able to hear this. Here's what it looks like and sounds like in an app that we've used before called Prime.
Intro, 2, 3, 4.
Here's without it.
Chorus, 2, 3, 4.
Here it is back. Now you can use the Prime app on a computer, a tablet, or even a phone. Another common program is called Ableton Live. Now, it's a little bit more money and can be a little bit more complicated, but you can also do more with it. Another app that we used to use is called Band in Hand, which is probably one of the most simple apps to use. I'll put some helpful links in the description below. And hey, can I stop you right there? And if you're enjoying this or if it's helping you at all, will you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? That really helps support us. So you might still be wondering, what do you mean? How does it keep me in time? Well, let me show you on my drum set. When I play too slow or late, it'll tell me that I'm behind the beat. When I play too fast or rush, it'll tell me that I'm ahead of the beat. The goal is to learn to be consistent and right on the beat. And hey, if you want to improve your worship ministry, there's probably a good chance that you want to improve your preaching ministry. So I want to encourage you to check out our course, The Power Preaching Plan. I'll take you through a full example of how to outline any sermon to make sure that you never get stuck in your sermon writing process again. Now, like I said, this doesn't work with traditional monitors that are on the floor, speakers that sit on the floor, because everyone would be able to hear the clicking or the beeping. But what you need is in-ear monitors. We use some Behringers that we really loved, and I'll put the link in the description below. There are nicer ones you can get, and there's even a cheaper version that you can get called Rolls. Keep a lookout for our reviews on those products. I'll also put a link in the description for some cheap, affordable headphones that you can use that still sound pretty good. And lastly, let's talk about why a click track or a metronome helps. You see, as humans, we're all imperfect. Our timing is imperfect. We speed up or we slow down. A click track forces us all to stay together as a band, and it helps teach us to stay right on the beat, making sure that we don't change tempos throughout the song. That beep or that click that you hear over and over, that's either going to push you back to the beat where you need to be, or it's going to pull you back right onto the beat. And here's a bonus thought. What if you can't afford a full in-ear monitoring system to use a click track? Just have the drummer use one. You can even download a free metronome app on your phone. That way you can make sure you at least begin every song at the exact right tempo. And what I'd recommend is have them listen in one ear to the metronome throughout the song. That way the drummer stays on the click throughout the song and everyone else stays with the drummer, who now becomes the click or the metronome. Now it's time to get real. Will you comment below right now and let us know, what's your opinion? Could you play with a click track? Why or why not? And I want to encourage you to continue the conversation in one of our online communities, where you can hang out with like-minded people, get some of your questions answered, and your question might even be answered in the next live Q&A. Be on the lookout for some of our next videos, like which Bible translation you should use. Or if you want to branch off a little bit, check out one of our other channels, like how to play the guitar or how to study the Bible. Hey, I hope this video was super helpful for you and that it'll improve your real worship team. But until next time, keep it real.